Hello everyone, I am Anman and today we are going to solve a classic sliding window problem, the lead code problem number 1343. The number of sub-array of size k and average greater than or equal to threshold. So this problem is great for understanding how sliding window optimizes array calculation. So in this problem statement we are given an integer array, a window size k and a threshold value, and we need to count how many subarray are of size k have an average greater than or equal to the threshold value. So let's move on the example. So in this example, an array which has some values and integer k is 3 and threshold is 4. So basically the output is 3. So the sub array will be like 2 5 5 and 555 and 558 and have an averages are like for the first one will be 4 5 for second and 6 for the last one third respectively. So all other sub arrays of size 3, so all other sub arrays of size 3 have average less than 4, the threshold frequency. So this will be the solution, output will be 3. And now in the example second, we are given some values in the array and value k is 3 and the threshold value is 5. So the first 6 subarrays of size 3 have an average greater than 5. So note that the average are not integer, so we return the value 6. So let's move to the solution part of this question problem statement, in which we are going to first declare int target equal to k multiply by threshold. K is multiplied by the threshold value, and now int sum, which is equal to 0, and int count is also initialized 0. And now we are going to use an for loop in which int I is equal to 0 and I should be less than arr dot size mine size and I increment. So in this for loop we are going to plus sum equals to arr of index I arr index I, and in this for loop we are going to check if I is greater than equal to k, then the sum will be minus equal to arr of index I minus k, and then again a if condition in which if I is greater than equal to k minus 1 and then sum is greater than equal to target, then we are going to increment the count. After that we are going to return value count. So here is the solution for this problem. So basically the int target k into threshold is for instead of checking average directly, we are using that average is greater than equal to threshold, and we convert it into like if sum by k is greater than equal to threshold, then it is equal to sum, and sum is greater than equal to k into threshold. And the integer sum and count are for sum is for stored window sum, current window sum, and the count store the valid sub arrays. And then in the for loop, sum plus arr of I is to add current element into window, and the next step, sum minus 1 arr of I minus k. In this, when window exceed the size k, then we remove the leftmost element. And the condition if sum is greater than equal to target is for if sum satisfies the condition, then we are increasing the count value. So first we are going to run this solution and check if there is an error or not. So there our both the test cases have been passed successfully, so our solution is fine to submit. So here we have submitted, and our solution took 0 ms and beats 100%, and space complexity is also good. So this was my solution for the problem number 1343. So thank you for watching my video.